Guys, are we going to see a little bit of a pump for Kaspa in the next 24 hours? That's something that we are going to try to determine in this video, right? So let's have a look. First of all, regarding the previous drawings for Kaspa on this chart, I have erased everything so we can make this chart to look a little bit more clear, okay, and less confusing, all right? So I still do expect Kaspa reaching these levels of around 30 cents in coming days, weeks, who knows really when, but obviously that is yet to come, okay? That's going to come in my personal humble opinion, of course, right? But now looking at 4-hourly time frame, guys, let's have a look, all right? At the moment, right now, we are, well, pulling back if it comes to that zone, from that zone 0 Fibonacci retracement zone. And now 4-hourly is showing us that we potentially could see some reversal, and that is going to basically, you know, coincide with the fact that we might get rejected a little bit in here, okay? But one interesting thing is that many people are actually betting that Kaspa is going to see lower price levels. So we do have some liquidations above current trading price for Kaspa. All right, so that's slightly below 19 cents for Kaspa, which is also going to coincide with this level in here. If Kaspa is going to see that pump on a daily, let's say, obviously that's 4-hourly time frame, guys, but it's going to take, let's say, 24 hours, because if I'm going to switch it on a daily, right, we can see that we do have this, you know, potentially bullish cross on stochastic RSI that is brewing, okay? So if that is going to happen for Kaspa on the daily time frame, we could see a pump of, let's say, roughly 2-3%. So nothing in this video is financial advice, of course. I would like to remind it to everybody, but this is basically what I'm seeing. So this is a short term for Kaspa. And now, guys, let's have a look at the weekly time frame, right? Let's have a look how we are actually standing if it comes to weekly time frame, right? So let's throw a rainbow. And now, guys, referring that previous target of 30 cents for Kaspa, that would coincide with that mid-range for the rainbow. And I do believe that this is definitely possible. And if that is going to happen, we are going to experience 70% of growth for Kaspa before it's going to pull back. Because what we could see on a weekly is that stochastic RSI is experiencing a bullish cross. We could see some upside and then potentially a pullback, but then still everything is going to go according to the plan with Kaspa, because obviously it is a slow mover, but as you guys can see, everything is going according to the plan, in my opinion, of course, right? Looking at the market, we are sitting at 59 neutral, so things are looking all right. Market cap is sitting at 4.3 billion USD. We are sitting at 25 if it comes to ranking, and the volume is 41.4 million USD, guys, all right? The current reward is 98. The next reward is going to be 92. Next reduction is scheduled in 9 days, and we are sitting at 543 petahash per second, and all-time highs are sitting at 586 petahash per second. Guys, soon we are going to reach 600, right? That is very bullish, right? Now, let's have a look at the overall market, okay? So everything is pretty much pumping on the daily time frame at the time of recording this video, of course, right? So things are looking great, and I believe that in this condition Kaspa is going to see, you know, move towards the upside as well, okay? But again, you know, that 3% is not huge, but it's still better than nothing. Shout out to Miko Geno. He's saying that Kaspa is going to reach a fair value of $100 by May 2032, approximately 3,800 days after the Genesis block. It will take another 700 days for the fair value to reach 200 in April 2034. 18 years after the Genesis block, by November 2039, the fair value of Kaspa will be $1,000. Guys, that would be amazing. That would be freaking amazing. But let's see. And funny thing is that one guy is saying that he hopes that he's going to be still alive in 2039. And well, to be honest with you, I hope so too. And I hope that you guys watching this video are going to be alive to actually witness that. And I also hope that Kaspa is going to witness such price levels in the future. The weekly chart made by Mr. Prof. BTC is above the baseline daily Bollinger Bands. BTC touched the yellow line in the Mayer multiple. Retest of the all-time high of 2021 again. So guys, we could technically see that pump towards the upside for BTC, alright, but that is a weekly time frame, okay? So please remember, guys, that you're not going to see huge pump right away. Altcoins, the Scalping Pro is saying that perma bears will tell you altcoins are done and are in distribution phase. But if you look at the chart, altcoins are only up 58% since breakout, after 525 days of accumulation. Do you really think a breakout after 525 days of consolidation will end just a 58% move? This pullback is probably just reaccumulation before another leg up. Guys, so don't be shaken out, okay, because that is a bull flag, okay? That is just a first leg outside of that accumulation zone for altcoins, and of course we do experience that pullback. That bull flag is identified over here on the chart, guys, and once we are going to break, we are going to see huge upside for altcoins. Bitcoin bulls can do anything to reach that target. This is long awaited rally. On this chart we've got a target of around 130k for BTC, and again we do have that pullback. Nobody really knows where exactly that is going to stop, okay, but everything at the moment at least is looking like we are going to see upside move for Bitcoin. But even if we are going to see some move towards the downside, everything is still going to be bullish because we are inside of that channel that belongs to that bull flag. Now guys, 3 daily chart for Bitcoin, all right? So that bull flag is visible in this chart as well, and target here is around 106k for BTC on a 3 daily chart, and now this is a 3 daily chart for Ether. So we do have this bull flag slash bullish pennant, and the targets over here for ETH are around $8,000. But please remember that this is not going to be, right away. Nothing in this market is right away. I believe that the patience is key. Anyways, the retest was successful. Bitcoin has confirmed 65,000 as a support. Price will now continue to occupy the 65 to 71,500 region, red. Guys, let's have a look. Once we are going to break above this level and break previous all-time highs for BTC, well, all-time highs, things are going to look much more bullish, okay? But we are still in this red zone. So yes, we could pull back to the green one. It doesn't look like at the moment, but of course everything is possible, guys. But please remember about longer term. Now, shout out to Mr. Titan, and this is a daily chart for BTC Ichimoku analysis. BTC closed the daily candle above the 65-200 he mentioned, printing a bullish hammer candle. It is currently trading above the Tenkan red, regaining bullish momentum at the same time. Waiting for the confirmation is always a smart move, guys. So we do have this strong support in here. We have bounced back towards the upside, and now we are trading above this red line, guys. Things are looking bullish on this chart as well. And now guys, this chart is very bullish, okay? So shout out to Nick, and let's have a look, all right? So he's got 3 taken profits levels for BTC, right? So the first one is going to be around 120, the second one is going to be 170, and the last one is going to be 400k for BTC this cycle. By the way, let me know in the comments down below if you think that BTC can reach around 400k this cycle. Nobody is telling you that BTC has reclaimed its real 2021 all-time high and is currently retesting it again. First a fake out to shake people out, then new highs, just like in 2017. Guys, so let's have a look, right? But what I would like to point out is definitely the fact that we are still bullish. To me, it looks like that consolidation around previous all-time highs isn't bearish at all. One of the biggest OGs in crypto, Plan B. So big shout out, and he's saying that this is where the fun begins, all right? This is Bitcoin daily stock to flow and price. So guys, if we are going to follow this, we can expect around 500k BTC this cycle, guys. Let's have a look. Let's see how this is going to play out, okay? But if this is going to play out, I believe that other alts, such as Kaspa for instance, are going to see huge price levels, alright? Now, shout out to Trader Tarringrate, and Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders champ pattern is in play. The breakout point is not far away. Bullish. Guys, I would like to remind to everybody that inverse head and shoulders is a bullish pattern. And if this target is going to play out, the first leg up is going to be above 80k for BTC. Guys, that's it what I've got for you today. I hope that you have guys enjoyed, and I wish you have a great day. Peace and love, crypto.